carrot juice, you know. I make two types of carrot juice. One with lime and sugar, and ginger, and one with milk and supple gin. So, Jamaican style carrot juice from scratch. As you see, now I run it through the juicer. And this juicer now, with this juicer, you run it through it. As you real juice, you don't have to put no sugar or nothing like you can just drink it like that. And this juicer juice it, put the trash one side and the drink one side. So you can just pull out your thing and just drink it. But you know, we want it for liquor, so we'll put some extra like supple gin, milk, vanilla, and almond, liquor rum. See all them things.
Wow, you put rum in there too? Wow.
Liquor rum, yeah. Like carrot juice. We can put like a 1 Guinness in there too.
Oh yeah.
But the next one, you can just ginger and lime. What I call it,
Ital, yeah.
Yeah, ginger and lime.
That good for you.
Yeah. So as you see, I wash out the carrot them now. I'm going to use them. Yeah. So then we continue, cut them out. You know. Put that little bit in there. So see juice up here already. Plug in and everything. So we put that little head there. And we let them kind of look like a blackish sometimes.
Yeah.
And then the juice. Yeah. So carrot juice here today. Call it.
Some juice.
Call it Juice Thursday. Juice Thursday.
Gangali Juice Thursday.
And you know, tomorrow jerk chicken day.
Yeah.
Jerk pork and fish and, you know.
With all nice spices and Jamaican spices in the jerk chicken and all that good stuff.
So I get the carrot them ready now, wash them off. I'm going to tell you, so I'm going to cut off them little thing here on top of them. You know, we have to get rid of them little thing there. Then we wash them. You know, them will come out of the earth. You know, no one will them mess up in already. So them little thing they stay. So you have to cut them off.
Carrot juice good for your eyesight, you know.
Yeah.
Carrot good for your eyesight, you know.
Carrot look see fast.
Yeah.
And it burn like an eagle. Carrot look bright. And with the milk and the supple again, that's good for you. So I just sit and wash them out and out. Nice and clean. Yeah, run them with the juicer. So we have a juice up the Thursday now, you know?
Yeah. Juice Thursday
Yeah.
in Gangali's kitchen.
Juice Thursday, yeah. What if a juice, you know? Carrot juice. So 2 different type of carrot juice today.
One Ital.
Ital and non-Ital. One Ital and strongback.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, carrot juice, good for your eyesight. You see bright like an eagle. Yeah, some more wash them off, you know. So when we do now, we just get some water and then go and soak like it. Yeah, I remember saying, yeah, look over this, yeah, see the gay rain navy them. All them good things that we're going at them, you know. You see the ginger, you see the lime. I'm going to tell you, so this are the almond flavor, artificial almond. Make it thing taste nice. The scent, the vanilla, we have a supple gel, and we have with nutmeg. And all them little pictures there. Alright. So this is our blender now. So since we are running them through this, so I'm going to start at my blender here now. Can put it on high, can put it on low. But me now put it on high. Alright. I hear it. Alright. I'm doing I don't know what to do this or no. It's a pear juice. It's a juice that just throw that up and drink shade with it. Alright, okay. Original blender this up. Pear juice and pear juice there.
So you finish with that part now?
Yeah, this is one. The thing full here now. So I can't hold no more. See?
Oh, okay.
These are just pure natural juice. See? You can't just drink that said way. You can't just drink that said way.
It's good for you too.
Yeah. So, right, I'm going to put two. A little more in this capsule that it is full up with coil. I couldn't hold no more. So, get it back on target. Right now, see, full of trash now.
Yeah, wow, that's a lot.
See, that's it. So you put the trash one side and the juice one side. So that's how the juicer stays. So trash one side, juice one side. Yeah, I'm running ginger through it too.
Oh,
Yeah.
you take the skin off this ginger or you just
No, we
run?
can't take the skin out, but we just run it through
Just
it.
run it, yeah, okay.
Just run it through it here. So, but we don't want a whole heap of ginger. You see ginger now, ginger that thing will take a taste of thing. So you want the taste of the carrot, so you don't want a whole heap of ginger. That ginger will take with the carrot taste. So then
Oh, so you don't put a whole lot of ginger in it? Oh,
that's
okay.
the taste of the ginger. So
Okay.
this I know we say I'm going to make with ginger and lime. Either.
Cool.
So looking now, looking at juicer. I cool down so everything. Not another juicer, everything blend out, juice out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So true, me gonna make this with ginger and lime now. We just put it separate. So you say you like it high tall?
Yeah.
So we can give some of this go on.
Go and drink.
Go on, yeah. So that's how you get everything natural, yes or no? You get everything natural from the carrot.
Mm-hmm.
You can add water too. But you know, we don't add no water, we want to give it celery. I'm not putting no lime in it yet. But we just have to make sure
Taste it.
just taste some of that. Because I just natural carrot. Yeah.
Oh my God, this is good.
No sweetening or nothing yet. That's just natural carrot itself. Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah, no, just carrot itself. See, ginger trash, carrot trash.
This is good. I love it like this.
Yeah.
This is the way I love my carrot juice.
Yeah, so yeah,
No
everything,
milk.
everything natural. That.
Everything natural.
High tall.
No added sugar.
Nothing added. nada.
Nothing. That's how I love my carrot juice. This is good.
Yeah, nothing added. Nada. Natural carrot from the root.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this one now, I'm gonna get a guinea. I'm gonna get a guinea like shit. So I come. the juicer here now, so I'll plug out the juicer here now. So this I know I'm gonna deal with mix this with the Guinness first, the milk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you want Guinness in it. Again. That's peanut supper again.
Oh, peanut supper, John.
Yeah. Next Irish mash in it.
Oh, Irish mash too?
With an Irish mash.
Oh.
A real thing for your back. The man there. Stamina.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put the Irish mash in it. I like put the real Irish mash over boil, but we don't have none around.
Yeah, when you go
hard to get.
Yeah.
Just work with the one in the can.
You used to go to see to and get Irish mash?
Well, we're not a seaman like that, but we used to get it from the sea, because my father used to sell juice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, when we go see, you have to strictly fish.
Yeah, my brother and them used to go and see, and when they come back with Irish
mash.
mash.
Irish mash. And
Yeah.
we used to go to Port Royal, but I think you have to go way out to get them things there. So, we don't know, we put the clady almond in it. Eat a good taste at 20. Tip some vanilla in it, John.
Alright. Some vanilla and some Jamaican rum. Ray, J, and Nephew. Let me see the Ray, J, and Nephew. Overproof.
And then put in some nutmeg.
You don't make it well sweet, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't make it that natural sweet, you know.
Okay.
Something already have a little sweetness.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not too extra sweet.
Put some ice in it. good.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, taste of this one. Cut them over here, so.
Mm-hmm.
First time to get the thing. Sometimes we blend up all some raw peanuts.
Oh yeah.
Put in it.
Uh-huh.
Crunch. When I have the time to when there's some other. Alright, this for you. Now we'll take a drink of it. Yeah. Nice.
Oh my God, this is so good. Oh.
So you cannot get no carrot through, you can't get rid of the carrot color.
Mm-hmm. This is so good. Oh. Yeah, give me a little bit more rum in it.
You taste all the peanut in it. So.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want too much rum because you have a dry.
Yeah. So rage and nephew.
Carrot juice up there.
Oh, this is good, creamy.
Yeah.
So this is how we do it in Gangali's kitchen.
Yeah, so
Cheers.
right up there now, you know.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers. Respect. Yeah.
Too sweet. So this are for the man them, the trunk back one. Next one now for the man them to butter for everybody.
Yeah.
Good for your brain, make you see far. Good for your eyesight. Natural. Next
Yeah.
one, no milk, no vanilla, and no just ginger and lime. Straight. I like it like that too.
Yeah, man. All right, so that's it for now in Gangali's kitchen. Yeah, man. Respect. So this one we're not putting any sugar,
Yeah.
any milk,
Just ginger.
just
and
ginger and lime.
Straight.
Yeah. This one is so healthy.
Yeah, the straight. The carrot itself.
Yeah, there's carrot, there's ginger, carrot. Put in your lime, put in your ginger, and that's it.
So if you go up and you want to add a little honey to it,
Yeah.
you want to add a little honey to it instead of sugar, get like a taste.